Do you ever notice your toilet wobbling back and forth, or maybe you have some water coming out the sides? That could be a sign of two things: a bad wax ring, which is often, and also, in this case, a toilet flange that is broken. And that is where the bolt's set that holds your toilet down. So we can replace this whole flange, which would include cutting the old flange out, cleaning it up, and setting a new flange in there. And that's if the flange is just destroyed. In this case, we have one little broken spot, so we're just going to repair it. And there's several different products you can use to repair them. I have always done this, and it's always worked out. And that is just doing a steel replacement flange ring. And what we'll do is it'll actually go right on top of this, and we'll screw it straight down into the subfloor. Now, another issue that I have with this toilet flange is they nailed it down, which this was probably, the house was built in the 80s, so this came from the 80s. And looks like they used nails, but these nails have come out over the years. I haven't pulled these out with the hammer or anything. This is how it was when I pulled the toilet off. And basically, when this thing rocks back and forth, these nails just pull out. So that's why I always use screws. As far as screws for this project, go with a outdoor screw, a screw that can get wet, because you're in a wet environment. It's the bathroom. When you line your new flange ring up, you want to make sure that where the bolts are going to sit is parallel to the wall. So if it sits like this right here, your bolts are going to be offset and your toilet won't fit. All right, so you have to have your flange to where the bolts holding the toilet down are going to be parallel with the back wall so that your toilet sits square to the floor. Line my new flange up. And if they don't line up with the holes of the old one, that's fine, because you can make new ones. New holes. Don't tighten your first screw all the way down. Just get it set so that you can line your new flange ring up to make sure everything's still square. And then, once you get your two of them in there, then you can start tightening them up. And now she's tight. She's not going anywhere. And now you can put your new toilet bolts in and bring them around about to where they're parallel. Tighten them down. Set your wax ring, and now you're ready for your toilet. Take the wing nuts off, and now you're ready for your toilet.